Hello guys, today I will introduce you how to install Network3 on smartphone. Now we press to register link. Okay, now we will register first. Put your email and set your password. Okay, set password and confirm password and fill up the referral code. You stick here. Okay, and press register. Okay, already registered. Now go back to email. Okay, no need to verify. So now we continue. After done register, you can press to the link to download. Grab. You press to the link. You can see here. We can download app on Android and iOS. You can run a node in the laptop, desktop, also you can. Here I use Android phone, so I press to Android. Okay, download. Okay, after download, you check the file. Just download Network3. Here you press here, install. Okay, open it. Okay, now you can see the notes already here. You stop here. Okay. Connecting. Okay, now it's already done. You can check the network here. The app here I put here. Okay, you can see the app here. Okay, already done.